Good afternoon everyone. Today we will discuss about the 8-point DFT using DIT algorithm as well as 8-point IDFT using DIT algorithm. In the last lecture we discussed about the 4-point DFT using DIT as well as 4-point IDFT using DIT algorithm. So first we brush up the content. What is DIT algorithm? DIT is decimation in time algorithm. So we are using DIT, we are used to calculate the discrete Fourier transform of the sequence as well as inverse discrete Fourier transform of the sequence. The input sequence is break into the n-point sequence into two sequences. The algorithm is more efficient to calculate the discrete Fourier transform as well as inverse discrete Fourier transform. So in the last lecture we discussed about how to solve the 4-point DFT using DIT algorithm as well as 4-point DFT using DIT algorithm. So in this lecture we will discuss about the 8-point DIT algorithm how we can solve it easily and efficient manner. So first see the input sequence. Consider a input sequence x of n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 using DIT algorithm. So here the number of point is 8. So n equal to 8. Now, so common step for all n equal to 8-point DIT FFT. First thing is the butterfly operation. So that is a plus b omega n to the power k as well as a minus b omega n to the power k, where a and b are the input and omega n to the power k is the Twiddle factor. So the next step is the Twiddle factor associated with the butterflies are n equal to 8, omega 8 to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega 8 to the power 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.707, omega 8 to the power 2 equal to minus j and omega 8 to the power 3 equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. The number of stages associated with m equal to log n base 2 equal to 3 and number of butterfly per stage is n by 2, that is 8 by 2 equal to 4. Okay, so earlier case for n equal to 4 we have seen there is two Twiddle factors, that is omega 4 to the power 0 and omega 4 to the power 1, but here 4 Twiddle factors are there. Omega 8 to the power 0 equal to 1, omega 8 to the power 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.707, omega to the power 2 equal to minus j and omega to the power 3 equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Another difference is earlier case we have seen log 4 base 2 because capital N value is 4, so stage is 2. So here we will see the stage is 3 only and the number of butterfly per stage is earlier case that is 2, now that is 4. Okay, now see the input. So input is both case, input is bit reversal order. So in DIT algorithm if it is n equal to 4, n equal to 8 or n equal to 16 whatever may be, but input is always in bit reversal order and output is in natural order. Now see here n equal to 8, so input index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is the value of binary index of 0? That is 0, 0, 0. If we will reverse the things, all the things 0 means bit reversal value is also 0, 0, 0. So bit reversal index value is 0. Now next digit is 0, 0, 1. So bit reversal will be 1, 0, 0. 1 will come the first position. So 1, 0, 0. Similarly 0, 1, 0 will be same because if 0 will come in first position, 1 will be in second position and 0. So the value of 0, 1, 0 is 2. So 0, 1, 1 if we will put, then 1 will come first, second will in second position and 0 will come in third position, so we will get 6. So similarly 1, 0, 0 will become 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 will become same 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 0 will become 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1 become 1, 1. So bit reversal index is 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So that is the order we will write the input sequence. So the output is in natural order. Whatever the value we will find out in the output, so that is in natural order. So now we will find out the sequence discrete Fourier transform of the sequence x of n 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. So x of 0 is 1, x of 1 equal to 2, x of 2 equal to 3, x of 3 equal to 4, x of 4 equal to 4, x of 5 equal to 3, x of 6 equal to 2, and x of 7 equal to 1. Now in n equal to 8, how many butterflies will be associated? There will be 4 butterflies for each stage. Stage 1, 4 butterfly will be there. In stage 2 and stage 3 also 4 butterfly will be there. Now in stage 1 input will be in bit reversal order. So first we'll write the inputs. So what are the values of the input? X of 0 is 1, x of 4 equal to 4, x of 2 equal to 3, x of 6 equal to 2, and similarly x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So see 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. So the input is in bit reversal order. Now all the butterfly associated with stage 1, that is omega 8 to the power 0 equal to 1 Twiddle factor values for each butterfly for stage 1. So see, first butterfly omega 8 to the power 0 is the Twiddle factor. For second butterfly also Twiddle factor value is 1. Third butterfly also Twiddle factor is 1, as well as fourth butterfly the Twiddle factor is also 1. So all the cases the butterfly associated with first stage, all the butterfly the value is 1. So now, first stage, the first butterfly case input is 1 and 4. So if butterfly associated with 1, the value is 1, then simple addition and subtraction in DIT algorithm. So input is A and B, then output will be, first output will be A plus B omega n to the power k, and second output will be A minus B omega n to the power k. From here we have seen that if value is 1, then simple A plus B and A minus B. Now we'll put the values for first butterfly. So in this value will be, what will be this value? This value will be 1 plus 4 means 5. This one 1 minus 4, this minus 3. So similarly 3 plus 2 equal to 5 and 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Similarly 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 2 minus 3 equal to minus 1, and 4 plus 1 equal to 5 and 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So the stage output of the stage 1 is 5 minus 3, 5, 1, 5 minus 1, 5, 3. So the values of the output of the stage 1 will be the input of the stage 2. So this stage clear, 4 butterflies, all the butterflies Twiddle factor value is 1 and simple addition and subtraction. Clear? Now we'll move to the next stage. So output of the stage 1 is the input of the stage 2. So stage 1, how many butterfly associated? 4. So stage 2 also 4 butterflies, but they will be in different manner. So first we'll see in the stage 2, 4 butterfly. First butterfly will be associated with first point and third point, means x of 0 and x of 2. So the butterfly Twiddle factor associated with first butterfly, that is omega to the power 0 equal to 1. So what will be the output? So we'll get, so here 5 plus 5 is 10, easy subtraction and addition, and 5 minus 5 0. So first butterfly is completed. So similarly, so here all the butterfly 2 inputs are there, and all the inputs are, first one is related to the second one, but in this case first one will be related with the third one, second one will be the related with fourth one. So if we'll divide the sequence, so that is similar, this 2 step is similar to the 4-point discrete Fourier transform using DIT algorithm. Means two stage, 8 point is divided into 2 sequence. So this one is 4 point, this one also 4 point. So in the next butterfly, the input is minus 3 and 1, but here Twiddle factor associated omega 8 to the power 2, that is minus j. So the output will be, so for this case a plus b omega n to the power k. So here omega n to the power k value is minus j, a value is minus 3 and b value is 1. So we will get minus 3 plus 1 into minus j, that is minus 3 minus j. But for the second case we will see the value will be a minus b omega n to the power k. So just instead of plus sign, minus sign is there. So minus 3 minus 1 into minus j. So we'll get minus 3 plus j. So come to the next two butterflies. So the Tweedale factor value associated with omega to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega to the power 2 equal to minus j. So here these things important. Here not omega to the power 1. Here it is omega to the power 2. Even values. So omega to the power 0, omega to the power 2. So similarly this omega to the power 0 and omega to the power 2. So first one is simple addition and subtraction. 5 plus 5 10, 5 minus 5 0. Similarly minus 1 minus 3j and minus 1 plus 3j. So here values are, input values are minus 1 and plus 3. So we will get minus 1 plus 3 into minus j, that one minus 3 minus j. Similarly a minus b omega into the power k equal to minus 3 minus 1 into minus j, that is minus 3 plus j. So the output of the stage 2 is 10 minus 3 minus j, 0 minus 3 plus j, 10 minus 1 minus 3j, 0 minus 1 plus 3j. So here we will see this one is the two part of n equal to 4-point DFT algorithm. This one is the considering well first part, this one is the second part. So similar case, and values also similar thing. Now we will see the stage 3 case. What will be the effect in stage 3? So in the stage 3, the output of the stage 2 will become the input of the stage 3. So output of the stage 2 is already we collected from the last stage. So now stage 3, so here also 4 butterfly will be associated. So the first butterfly will be associated with first point with fifth point. Second butterfly will be associated with second point and sixth point. So, and first Tweedale factor associated with first butterfly, that is omega to the power 0 equal to 1. So first we will solve this one, then we will go for the next butterfly. So that will be better for understanding. Otherwise it will become more complex. So first we will draw the butterfly, then we will find out the value, then after finding the output, then we will go for the next butterfly. And after completing the next one, we will go for the last one or third one. Now first butterfly input is 10 10 and the Tweedale factor value is 1. So we know the output will be if 1, then simple addition and subtraction. Okay, so we will write the output 20 and 10 minus 10 is 0. Now the next butterfly input is minus 3 minus j and minus 1 minus 3j. The Tweedale factor associated with next butterfly is omega to the power 1, that is 0.707 minus j 0.707. So here input is a equal to minus 3 minus j and minus 1 minus 3j, and Tweedale factor is omega to the power 1. So the output will be a plus b into omega to the power k, as well as a minus b into omega to the power k. So a plus b omega to the power k, so the value is minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. Similarly a minus b omega to the power k, the value is minus 0.172 minus j 0.414. So that is the completion of second butterfly. Now we will draw the third butterfly, which is between third one and seventh one. So, and the butterfly associated with this one is omega to the power 2 minus j is the Tweedale factor. So the values is, input values are 0 0. If input is 0 0, the output is only 0, because a plus b, 0 plus 0 into omega to the power 2 is 0, and 0 minus 0 into omega to the power 2 is 0. So that is the completion of third stage. It become easy because input both are 0. Now coming to the last stage and the final stage of our 8-point DFT using DIT algorithm. So here butterfly associated with fourth one and seventh one, and the Tweedale factor associated with this butterfly is omega to the power 3, that is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So the output of the butterfly is a plus b omega to the power k and a minus b omega to the power k. So here a value is minus 3 plus j and b value is minus 1 plus 3j. So a plus b omega to the power k, the value is minus 0.172 minus j 0.414. Similarly, a minus b omega n to the power k minus 3 plus j minus b equal to minus 1 plus 3j omega n to the power k. So the answer is minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. So that is the output of the stage 3. Now we'll combine, we'll see the 3 stages at a time. Okay. So first stage is all the stages, common point is all stages, the butterfly associated with 4 butterfly. Okay. So first stage we'll see input is in bit reversal order. So 4 butterflies are there. So all butterflies, the twiddle factor associated is 1. So only simple addition and substitution. So that is the completion of first stage. Now coming to the second stage, here 1 is associated with third point and 2 is associated with fourth point. And twiddle factor is omega to the power 0 equal to 1 and as well as omega to the power 0 equal to 2 minus j. So similarly, first is stage 2 first butterfly, simple addition and subtraction, and similarly second one is minus 3 plus 1 into minus j, similarly minus 3 minus 1 into minus j. So stage 2 first 2 stages is simple, similar that 2 stage last 3 and 4th is the butterfly associated with 5th and 7th one and 6th and 8th one. Okay, and the twiddle factor is omega to the power 0 equal to 1 and omega to the power 2 equal to minus j. So simple addition and subtraction. So in the last stage, the output of the stage 2 is the input of the stage 3. Here first one is the 5th one, second one with 6th one, third one is 7th one and 4th one is 8th one. And omega to the power 0 first twiddle factor, first butterfly, second twiddle omega to the power 1, third one is omega to the power 2 equal to minus j, and fourth one is omega to the power 3, that is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So that is a complete stage, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Stage 1 is very easy, simple addition and subtraction. Stage 2, 2 values are very easy, simple addition and subtraction. And stage 3, this one. So if you are able to solve only 2 stages or 3 stages, then also you will get some marks. So first, one thing is the first common steps for all 3 cases is all n equal to 8. The sum are common stages, that number of twiddle factor, what are the operation of twiddle, that is a plus b omega n to the power k, a minus b omega n to the power k. Input is in bit reversal order and output is in normal order. If you write those things and also solve some stages, then also you will get some good marks. Okay, now output is in normal order, so we'll get the values is output value is 20 minus 5.828 minus j. So all those values, that is in natural order. So that is the completion of our 8-point DFT using DIT algorithm. Now coming to the homework, so you should find out at home, find the discrete Fourier transform of the sequence x of n equal to 2n considering 8 points. So we should find out the value of x of 0, x of 1 up to x of 7. After finding out x of n sequence, then we will finding out the value of x of k using DIT algorithm. Similarly, find out the discrete Fourier transform x of n 1537 considering 8 point. So here 4 point is given, another 4 point you should find out. You should insert it 4 zeros after that 1537 0 0 0 0 and then solve the problem. So next lecture we will discuss about 8-point DIF